All right, inverse variation works very similar to direct variation. So again, it's just a matter of interpreting the sentence into an equation. So the variable y varies inversely as the variable x. Basically, just translates to y equals k over x. I mean, it's just telling you a formula. Or y is inversely, if you see the word inversely proportional also means this formula. And k again is a constant. So it's probably best to just look at an example. So I've already kind of put some stuff in here, but I'll take it out. So it says the volume of a gas at constant temperature varies inversely as the pressure. So again, this first sentence, volume of the gas, that would be considered our y. I'm going to call it V and let V be volume of gas. And then this at constant temperature, you can kind of ignore that in terms of our equation. That's what it requires. That's one of the stipulations for the gas law to work. But the volume of a gas varies inversely as the pressure. So pressure is our x. And in this case, I'm going to call it P. So P stands for pressure. Okay. So we know just by that our equation is V equals, volume equals K divided by our pressure. And I was going to put an X there. And so now it's just a matter of plugging in to figure out what K is. So the next sentence on these type of problems will be the information you need to find K. So the volume of a gas is 75 milliliters, so 75 equals K over your 1.5 atmospheres for pressure. And so to solve this, you multiply both sides by 1.5. And so 1.5 times 75 is 112.5. And 1.5 divided by 1.5 is 1, so that's K. So we found our constant. So now we can use that constant. So we know volume, let me get rid of that. Volume is 112.5 over your pressure. And so now the second sentence, or the third sentence, I should say, is what we're going to finally end up with. Find the volume of the gas when the pressure is increased to 2.5 atmospheres. So 2.5 is your pressure. We do not know our volume. So the equation ends up being 112.5 divided by, now I already forgot the number, 2.5. And so 112.5 divided by 2.5 is, looks like 45. So our volume is 45 and then milliliters. And so essentially that's inverse variation. So there's other types of these problems, but essentially that's all you need to know. If you can do that, you can virtually solve them all. So good luck. Again, leave a comment if you're not sure on something, and hope this helps.